I'm Joan Dineen.
And I'm Allison Liss.
We're the designers from Dineen Architecture and Design.
Welcome to the Upper West Side.
We created this light-drenched home for both family living and entertaining. We're on Manhattan's Riverside Drive, overlooking the majestic Hudson River. This apartment was once called home by Babe Ruth and Itzhak Perlman, although not at the same time. When you walk into this home, you immediately see the spacious columned gallery, paneled in pale oak. It's also big enough to put a giant table down the middle.
Plus, you can never have too many closets, so we designed these gallery columns to have extra storage. We combined 2 rooms to create this big, bright family room and dining room. In here, we had the opportunity to play with scale. So we gave each area a distinct identity using color, proportion, and focus. We defined a generous family space for lounging and watching TV. Using large, low furniture, like this 10-foot sofa upholstered in 3 different fabrics. This is a relaxed space, so we felt it only wanted a few fun details, like this skull print throw and these Christian Lacroix pillows.
While part of the same large room, our dining area has its own distinct character. Seldom is this family of 5 alone for dinner. So we designed an unusual 18-foot long banquette, upholstered with dark pink mohair and custom appliqué linen. The 2 pale oak and steel matching dining tables allow us to tailor the room so it always feels cozy and inviting. We also gave the dining area special character with white lacquered panels that showcase these unusual 1960s sconces. They add a subtle amber glow to complement romantic candlelit dinners. The pale oak paneling and cabinetry transition seamlessly from the gallery to the kitchen. We included polished nickel details that reflect light and add shine. The marble backsplashes and counters are company ready, but still tough enough for family living. Usually, this room is wide open to the gallery, but we can close it off for formal events using these custom steel and glass hidden sliding doors.
Let's finish with a whirlwind tour of some of the bedrooms and baths. First up is our elegant, modern powder room. The warmth and shine of polished nickel acts like jewelry for the room. This adorable bedroom for the family's youngest child features a quilted velvet bed nook with fun Art Deco reading lights. At the desk, the green, hairy Bertoya chair is a favorite perch and adds a bit of fun and silliness to the room. This teenager's room has a bold and independent look. This room comes with its own alphabet invented by our brilliant decorative painter. And if you look hard enough, you'll discover a hidden message.
Our master bedroom has a glossy lacquer wall behind the bed. The shine and dark color give drama and expand the space. The plush silk carpet is a work of art in itself and delicious under bare feet. And what a great New York view we have from the master suite. We hope you enjoyed the tour of this Riverside Drive apartment.
We feel every family home should have a balance of fun and sophistication.
And we loved showing you around.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?